Hey guys, I am going to show you the most efficient and effective way to replace a flapper in just about under 60 seconds. So what we're going to be using today is an 8-inch crescent wrench, a flapper, and a box knife. First things first, we're going to kill the emergency shutoff so that we can't get any more water in the tank. So after the water is shut off, the next step is to flush the tank and get rid of as much water in it as you can. Once all the water is drained down, the next step is to disconnect the pull chain and remove the flapper from the two ears on the side. After you have removed the flapper, it's always good to take a rag and try and wipe the lip clean of any burrs or leftover debris to ensure that you get a good seal. Next, we're going to take our box knife and flapper, depending on which one you have, and we're going to cut the excess rubber off of the flapper. Once that is done, you can take it and put it back just like how you took it off. Reinsert the ears that are on the side of the flapper, and at this moment in time, you are able to adjust the pull chain length as needed. Once this process is done, you can turn the water back on to ensure that the flapper is working correctly. After you turn the water back on, it is always good to retighten the packing nut just in case it got loose after you turned it on and off. So the next step after that is to just flush the toilet and let it refill to ensure that it is holding a good seal and to watch to see if there's any water movement in the bowl. After that, you have just completed installing a flapper like a pro. So as you can see, if you take a flashlight, you shouldn't see any ripples in the water. If you do, it tells you that you do have a bad seal on the flapper and you may need to clean it once again. Alright guys, so this is the best way to efficiently and most effectively change out a flapper on a tank pipe toilet. Thanks for joining us today. Hope to see you on the next one.